So today I want to give you 5 money moves to make before interest rates increase. First thing is to refinance debt. This means your house and even your cars. The second, invest, don't save. Interest from a savings account is still going to be very, very small in the future. Investing is a very good opportunity, and invest into a quality dividend stock and wait for that to grow. Third thing is to improve your credit score. Just pay down debt. Lending is only going to get tighter as rates increase, and a better score right now is going to improve your ability to get financing in the future. Number 4 is to consolidate credit cards. This gives you less payments in most cases. The payments will be less expensive, and you're going to prepare yourself for any future debt that you may take on. And number 5 is my personal favorite. Invest in yourself. There's no better time than right now to invest in yourself. This means things like learning a new skill, take an online course, start a business, and give yourself another income source. So there you go. Those are my 5 money moves to make before interest rates increase.